This video, I'm going to show you how you can create client lists using templates in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. To create a client list in ClickUp is quite simple. Just head over to the space or folder or the project under which you want to create the client list. From here, go ahead and click on the plus here and then choose templates. Now this will go ahead and list quite a number of templates that are available. Just go ahead and search and just type client, and this will give you options of client list that you can use. For my case, I'm going to use this client success. To use it, go ahead and click on it, or you can just click on quick use, and this will go ahead and load this client list template, and you can see the process is on here. Now this will go ahead and add the template here, and from this you can now start adding or editing this client list as you wish. So from here, you can see the status, you can add subtask columns, and so many others. You'll also be able to see the assignees and due dates, as well as add priorities just as you wish on your clients. So that's how you can add a client list in ClickUp using templates. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.